Do you want to get these cool-looking 3D wallpapers for your iPhone's home screen? Then you came to the right place. This quick video is going to show you the steps on how you can get and enable this cool 3D effect for your iPhone wallpaper. And the best part is that you don't need any third-party apps to do this. So all you'll need for this is to run the latest version of iOS, which is iOS 26 at the time of recording this video, and you'll need an iPhone 12 or newer, because this effect doesn't work on older iPhone models. I suppose that you meet these requirements, so we can continue to the next step. You'll want to open your lock screen editor by swiping from the top to the bottom. After that, let's long press anywhere on your screen and then Customize. Your job now is to select a wallpaper from your photo gallery, and keep in mind that the 3D effect works best on your pet photos, photos of friends and family members and similar. Those photos will look like they pop out of your screen, and I will select this pet photo just as an example. Once you add your wallpaper, just look for this little icon next to the three dots and tap on it, and the iPhone will enable the spatial scene effect. And that's essentially how they call the 3D wallpaper effect. The phone will analyze your photo for a second or two, and it will then make your photos pop on the lock screen. So just tap on that little diamond icon next to the three dots, and that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below, and I will see you soon.